On karo. Ready? So here we are with the superstar of Kannappa. As Kannappa, Vishnu, a pleasure to speak to you. Thank you so much for agreeing to speak to us today.
No, thank you for coming and speaking to me. I really appreciate it.
How special is Kannappa for you, Vishnu?
Kannappa is my baby. I fostered it, I nourished it. Now today, Kannappa is ready and is out to be in the world on 27th of June, and we are all waiting in anticipation for the, how the people are going to talk about, what the public are going to talk about. That is something which we're very anxiously waiting.
In fact, मैंने सुना है कि बहुत समय लगा फिल्म बनाने के लिए. So कितना समय आपको लगा to get into the role, and are you out of the character of Kannappa or you're still in that mood?
It's a beautiful question पूछा आप. पहले मेरे को 2014 में ये स्क्रिप्ट आया. पहले माफ़ करना है, मेरे को हिंदी अच्छी तरह नहीं मालूम है, थोड़ा थोड़ा मालूम है मेरे को हिंदी. बात करने को कोशिश करूँगा. 2014 में एक राइटर आकर मेरे को बोला, मैं एक स्क्रिप्ट लिखा कन्नप्पा से और आपको दे दूँगा मैं, आप पहले सुन लो. मैं सुना और डेवलप किया और उसका तनिकल बर्नी साहब आया, मैं ख़रीदा ये स्क्रिप्ट. सिंस देन स्क्रिप्ट 5 years में ख़त्म किया, क्योंकि my vision was this script is a very large script, and the budgets were not supporting me at that time. And 2023, when we decided to go ahead with it, we were like, okay, we waited long enough, let's hit it. And here we are.
Superb. So are you still out of Kannappa or you're completely?
See, the second part of the question, I think I can never come out of the Shivalila which I'm experiencing right now.
Beautiful.
I was never a huge Shiva devotee. I respect God. I'm more, I read Hanuman Chalisa every day and all that. But after the movie, after watching the rushes, and after going to all the Jyotirlingas, right now I believe I'm in Shivalila.
Amazing. There are a lot of stories. In fact, one story about Kannappa, and people know all the stories. Will there be a surprise element in the film?
There's going to be a huge surprise element in the movie. Especially, mark my words, be very, very, very about Mr. Mohanlal's character.
Wow.
His character is what is going to shock the audience, being like, hey, wait, really? Is this how Kannappa is connected to our ancient history also?
Wow.
That's how it's going to be.
Right.
And that's the reason why very subtly I put it in the trailer. There are a few people who actually understood why I put it there.
Right.
But the majority of the people didn't really get it. So it's going to be very interesting what the people's reaction is going to be when they watch it on the big screen.
Right. In fact, a big star cast, हमेशा हर एक्टर की लाइफ में एक पॉइंट ऑफ नो रिटर्न भी होता है. रोमांस हो गया, कॉमेडी हो गया, एक्शन हो गया, माइथोलॉजी हो गया. Is there a point of no return now that you've done such a big scale?
See, ये माइथोलॉजी नहीं है, हिस्टोरिकल फिल्म है, क्योंकि ये हमारा इतिहास में है कन्नप्पा का कैरेक्टर. और ज़्यादा लोग को नहीं मालूम है, ऊतकूर विलेज में कन्नप्पा पैदा हुआ. अभी वो तिरुपति और कडप्पा बीच में है वो गांव. अभी भी वहाँ मंदिर है कन्नप्पा का. And he belongs to the Boya tribe.
Right.
So I think, with the success of Kannappa, I'll have more strength to tell the stories I want to tell the world.
Nice.
There are so many beautiful stories which have to be told. And I believe that, for me, there are a lot of scripts which I want to tell.
Right.
And Kannappa, I'm hoping and praying, will give me the strength and the financial freedom to tell all the stories.
Absolutely. More power to you.
Thank you.
So, I'm going to name some actors. Since रजनीकांत सर ने आपकी फिल्म देखी, आप रजनीकांत सर की कौन सी फिल्म देखेंगे?
I have seen all his films.
Only one film that you will have to watch.
All over again?
Yeah.
Probably Basha.
Akshay Kumar.
Jolly LLB2.
Prabhas.
Darling.
Mohanlal.
Chitram.
Kajal Agarwal.
Magadira.
Preeti.
This is a debut.
And last but not the least, the legendary Mohan Babu.
Alludu garu.
Awesome. Vishnu, it was amazing speaking to you, and we believe in the story more now that you've shared some deep insights about the movie. We thank you for your time, and thank you for bringing this story to the world, to the audience, to Dubai, to everyone, to all cinema lovers. Thank you, Vishnu. It was a pleasure.
Likewise. Thank you very much. Thank you for having me.